Okay, guys, we're getting ready right now to get our work done again today. Today, we're going to be doing Chapter 15, Lesson 147, Combining Predicates. And I just realized I did not write the pages down. So the pages are page 271 to 272. Pages 271 to 272. Okay, so that's the page we'll be working on. Now, we're combining predicates. Remember the other day we did combining sentences. And we combined the subjects instead of the predicates. Remember, the subject is what it is about, what the sentence is about. The predicate is what they do. And so let's look right now at this. Sam played games. Sam colored pictures. And so then we're going to combine those together. So we're going to say, Sam played games and colored, sorry, that L's kind of there, colored pictures. You know, we have combined it now, played games and colored pictures. So to put it together so it makes one sentence. Okay, now let's look at this down here. Amy cleared the table. Amy washed the dishes. Now we're going to combine that predicate, the action of what Amy did, together. Amy cleared the table and washed, I'm going to go up a little bit, washed dishes. Okay, so that is combining them together. Again, cleared the table, washed the dishes, and we put it together. Now, let's go ahead and go to the next part, which is the page you're actually doing. On your page that you're actually doing, this has it says, well, let's go to this first. You can combine two sentences that have the same subject. The two predicates can be joined into one sentence with the word and. Remember, we're combining them together. You can see and here, and we're going to continue to do that. Now, on number one, on this yellow area, these sentences have the same subject. Nadia is a good speller. Nadia likes to read. So now it says join the predicate with the word and make one sentence. Nadia is a good speller and she likes to read. So now we're going to look at number one. It says underline the predicate in each pair of sentences. Then use the word to combine the sentences and write the new sentences. So what we're going to do is we're first going to underline the sentences, underline the predicate. And when we underline the predicate, we have Mr. Stevens, and now we're going to go goes to other countries. That is what he does, that's the action. Then what else does he do? He builds churches. So he builds the churches. And so we're going to put this together. We're going to put Mr. Stevens goes to other countries and, remember the and make sure you're spacing your words so we can see the difference, and builds churches. There you go. So now you can see Mr. Still, he goes to church, goes to other countries and builds churches. Now, honey, I know you're tempted to touch that. I have my granddaughter with me right now, so try not to touch that, okay? Because I've got it set just the way I want it. Okay, now, here we go. He went to an island. He built a church out of reeds. You have this on your paper. Okay, so let's see, what is the predicate? Went to an island, built a church out of reeds. So that is the two predicates. Now what you're going to do is join that together. You just write he one time. He went to an island, and, there's your and again, built a church out of reeds. Reeds are really tall grass, and they're very, very strong. In fact, they're actually sometimes hard to cut down. Now, let's look at our next one on number 3. Number 3, the reeds are strong. The reeds can be woven together. So here are strong, can be woven together. So those, honey, I know you're tempted to touch it, but please don't touch it, okay? Okay, now, the reeds are strong, and so we're going to put this down once. The reeds are strong and can be woven together. So that is how you put those two together. Don't forget, use the and to put it together. An and is a conjunction. It pulls things together. Now that's the last one on that page. But on the other side, there is something on the bottom of the other side that is showing you what you're going to be doing 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3 is the same as what we just did. But 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, you're going to be underlining the predicate. That means the action. For example, the zebras, and this is not in your book, but the zebras had black stripes. Okay, here it is, the zebras had white stripes. So you're going to be underlining the predicate. Hey, sweet girl, you need to go back that way. Okay, now, this says the other team was big and the other team was fast. Here we go. The other team is the subject, was big. The other team is the subject, was fast. And so those two go together. The other team was big and was fast if you were writing it. Was big and fast. Okay, now we ate takeout, we ate at home. So you can have ate takeout, ate at home. So if you're combining it in a sentence, you would say, we ate takeout and ate at home. So those are the different ones that are examples of what you are going to be doing here. Now, the other thing is, in the very bottom one, it says, your teacher will read a paragraph 2 times. Listen for the 2 sentences that can be joined into one. So listen carefully because I am only reading it 2 times. Of course, you can back up the tape if you need to. Ready? And think about which sentences you could put together. Meg takes piano lessons. Meg's teacher is nice. Thank you. Okay, Meg's teacher plays well. Meg practices every day. Meg likes to play. Meg has learned a lot. Meg's teacher had a recital. Meg's parents listened to her song, and Meg's parents clapped for her. For those of you that were with Miss Kellum taking piano, like Sophie, I know you do, you know what this is like. So let's try this again. Ready? Meg takes piano lessons. Meg's teacher is nice. Meg's teacher plays well. Meg practices every day. Meg likes to play. Meg has a lot to learn. And Meg's teacher had a recital. Meg's parents listened to her song. Meg's parents clapped for her. So you're going to decide with some of those sentences which sentence you can put together with an and, which is the conjunction between the 2 predicates. And that is our lesson for today. I'll be making our math lesson next. I can't wait to see you. So be